Okay guys, nandito na naman si Sir Javi. Shake, shake, shake lang tayo dito. Okay, shake, shake, shake. Okay, hindi tayo titigil guys magbibigay ng kaalaman sa ating mga students. Actually, ang i-discuss ni Sir Javi ngayon is passport examination ito. Lumabas ito sa March 2024 during my batch March 2024. Maniwala ka man sa hindi guys, kapag math majors ka, ito talaga yung lumabas na verbatim sa number 1 item namin sa majorship March 2024. Okay? Manood kayo dito, baka lumabas ito sa September 2025. Okay? Simulan na natin, Sir Javi. Now, ang tanong, find the acute angle between two lines have direction numbers 1, 1, 0 and 2, 1, 2. So dito, Sir Javi, we are going to find the acute angle between two lines have direction numbers. If we have this kind of problem, if you do not know the formula, it's very hard to solve this problem. So if you encounter this kind of problem on the actual board examination, the formula for this one is cosine theta is equal to u dot v over magnitude u times magnitude v. Now, shall we say that our u is 1, 1, 0. Our v, 2, 1, 2. Now, how to get the dot product, Sir Javi? To get the dot product, for example, u dot v, to get that one, just multiply the first element to the first element of the other vectors. Okay? So, that is the 1 times 2 is 2. Then, i-plus natin 1 times 1 is 1. Then, 0 plus 2 times 2 is 0. So, our u dot v is 3. Now, let's substitute it here. Cos theta, 3 over. How to get magnitude u, Sir Javi? To get magnitude u, just get the square of all the elements but lagyan lang ng square root. Okay? This one. For example, meron tayong elements ni u, square root. Ang first element is 1, square lang natin yan. Then 1 square plus 0 square. That is equal to square root of 2. So, magnitude u natin, square root of 2 times magnitude v. So, square root lang natin. Then 2 squared plus 1 squared plus 2 squared, that is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So that is 3. Okay? 3. Dito, since ang hinahanap is acute angle, ang gagawin natin, kuha tayo ng calculator. Actually, 45 ang sagot nito, but ipakita pa rin natin. Cosine, our cos, then fraction bar 3 over square root of 2 then times 3. Okay? So, ang sagot natin dito, 45 degrees. Kapag hindi iniba ni PRC guys yung given, kapag ito yung given natin, walang iba, ang sagot is 45 yung acute angle natin. 45 degrees, letter C. Okay? Letter C. Shake, shake, shake.